So there's a reason why most DMs or messages or emails or phone calls or in-person meetings fail in the first 2 seconds. And it's because you're using an apology. So sorry to disturb you. I know you're busy. I know you probably get messages like all this time. All that stuff instantly positions you as someone who's being apologetic, is feeling inferior, and seems to feel that your approach that you're giving or the thing you're selling is a bit of a waste of time, and you're hoping that they'll go easy on you. No one wants to buy from someone like that. They want to buy from someone who's confident and sure that this is the most important time spent with them in that day. They want to buy from someone who feels like this is something that is absolutely crucial for them and believes in their product. Cut out the apologies. It makes such a big difference. Check out more videos like this and you'll see exactly how I've navigated the sales process over the years and saved people so much heartbreak because they've understood these little things that make all the difference in deal making.